what's the problem with patents and innovation in the healthcare system? The good thing about patents and innovation in the healthcare system is exactly the same as the source of the problem with innovation and patents in the healthcare system. The good thing about patents and innovation in the healthcare system is that it involves a market test. Patents give innovators a time-delimited monopoly, and they can charge high prices for it, and they can make a lot of money provided that people want to buy it. So that's the great thing. Nobody makes money on patents that people don't want to buy. The problem with innovation and patents in the healthcare system is that very often what's profitable, the most profitable patent may not be the patent or the innovation that creates the most social value. And in fact, it's pretty easy or pretty common in the healthcare context for people to make lots of money on patents that actually don't create a lot of social value. So what are some examples where the patent system sends the wrong signals, encourages the wrong kinds of innovation? Well, there's two that are that we talk about a lot in the book. One has to do with new antibiotics, and the other has to do with vaccines. So let's first talk about new antibiotics. Bugs get immune to our bacteria get immune to our current slate of antibiotics, and so new ones have to constantly be invented. And it's many millions of lives and many billions of dollars are involved in are lost when antibiotics are no longer effective. So you'd think this would be a really good business model, but it turns out that the developers of new antibiotics almost always lose money, so much so that it's really hard to get sophisticated companies involved in the development of new antibiotics against resistant bacteria. Why is that? Because the first thing you do when you've got a new antibiotic is not use it. You hold it in reserve for a future possibility where the current bacteria evolves some sort of resistance. But that runs exactly against the market test for new drugs, because you're not making money by selling your new drug at a monopoly monopoly price that's given to you because you've got a patent on it. You actually want to not sell the drug. So it's very difficult because of the linkage between revenues and the value of the patent. That works exactly opposite the way you want it to in the case of new antibiotics.